what's up guys, this is a 2017 Honda CR-V. Alright guys, so this car have a problem with a bunch of light that came on the dash. RNSP, auto high beam, traction control, a bunch of other stuff, etc. Alright guys, so I plugged in my OBD and then found out the codes, erased the codes, and one code that didn't erase and keeps coming back was the camshaft sensor. So I'm going to investigate. I'm looking at the engine, I'm looking at that. It looks like some rodents droppings there, and partial insulation of the wiring is chewed. So I'm just following, investigating right now. Bunch of rodents there, and look over there, look what I found. Chewed wires. That is the camshaft sensor, and the wires are chewed. Alright, so this is the main concern in this season, winter time. That's when all the rodents are coming together and did want to hide somewhere warm, and the best warmest place they can go is on your engine. Alright, and when they get hungry and they start to chew stuff, they'll chew on anything, wires, whatever, right, that's on the end, and whatever that they could touch. See, they chewed on that insulation. I'm going to cover that up too. I'm going to insulate that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove those two clamps, one bolt and another bolt. And the intake box is out, so we have a better picture of what's going on here and examine if anything else has been chewed. Alright, so I'm just following those droppings. There's a bunch of droppings there. That's why you see that insulation is all chewed up too. I'm investigating the surrounding area if any more damage has been caused by this, and voila, I've finished this. I've repaired the wire. See that? Nice looking wire, it's all back together. So what I did is repin new wires into that, and I'm going to insulate that. I'll unplug wire.